today. I think he did Sue also. Oh my god, see the type of bikes those guys have. Oh my gosh. Hey, don't throw on my face. She will come, just relax. Oh, chilo. Yo, hello, what's up everyone? Notice people, Mizoram guys, Mizo people, what's up guys? This is your African boy Gabs Gabi, a long way from South Sudan guys. So I usually react to Northeast people, mostly Meghalaya, Shillong people, you know how they love music. Also Nagaland people, Assam people. I do also react to Mizo people. I reacted previously to Mizoram Song, but just recently I was in Shillong, Meghalaya guys. So I was so busy focusing, making much content for Meghalaya, but now I'm free and boom, I got an amazing suggestion, music suggestion guys. The second music suggestion from this guy here by the name LALROSANGA. Okay, he has a recent music video guys, and I just can't believe this music video within 2 days. Bamba Club is 2 million now. It's 1 million. Okay, it's 1 million views. Definitely it's going to be 2 million. No, believe my word guys. And because this guy is so good, I can see how much people like, it's not how much, so many people love him. It means he's definitely a good, talented and inspiring guy when it comes to music. So there is one song of him I saw, it was Don't Let Me Down. Don't Let Me Down. Yeah, it was in English. So today this is a latest song, so I have to check it out. I have to watch it. They all know these people. I have to see this talented guy. So don't forget, I know it is your first time watching me, but you are not yet part of this channel. We are left only with 10k subscribers to make 1 lakh to get the silver button. So kindly support me. I'm requesting all of the Mizo people, Northeast people, kindly share and subscribe to my channel guys, because after reacting to your music video, definitely I'll be visiting your state. I've been to Shillong, to Assam, and next year I will come to Nagaland. Definitely guys, I'll come to Nagaland, and let's see how much love I will get from Mizo people, so that from Nagaland straight up to Mizoram. Love you all. Subscribe now and let's enjoy it. Yes, let's do this. Fuhchiang Lo. You can tell me guys, what does it mean by Fuhchiang Lo Maw? What does it mean? Let's enjoy it. I'm gonna dance for you guys today. Oh, I can hear your makeup and the lipstick. The guy is expressing. The guy is just falling. I saw you. I am telling you in Mizoram. Oh my god. See how he sounds guys, so unique, right? See you langi mo dai. Oh my god, I want to sing so bad. Oh, Fuhchiang Lo. Hey, show them guys. Hey, go brother, you can get her. Don't worry bro, you're so talented. Hey, I think he did Sue also. Oh my god, see the type of bikes those guys have. Oh my gosh. Hey, don't throw on my face. She will come, just relax. Oh, chilo. Tell me guys, what does it mean Fuhchiang Lo Maw? For you I will forever go. It is you only oh, it's now couple times, 2 by 2. Your eyebrow and eyelashes look so beautiful. When we get cold, I will give you my jacket. Get it? Oh, yeah. You made it, guys. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. You have to clap. Sponsor. You have to clap for this guy. This guy is just another level. This guy is another level, guys. You know, I don't usually react to this guy, but whenever people suggest to me, I used to go and check him out. So I started reading his comment and watching his music, because, you know, most of his music is in a local language, guys. But you know what? I just came to know this guy has so much. He is so inspiring. Like, I just really wish if this guy also can sing in English. Definitely he's gonna be inspiring us, like African foreigners outside there, guys, because see the love he's receiving from Mizo only. This not from Mizo, I think from Northeast. Let's speak of Northeast. Only 2 days, 1 million. Oh my gosh, brother, this is proof that I can say you have a bright future, and I can see a lot of amazing positive comment. 100k plus like, oh my gosh. Fuhchiang lo maw, whatever it is. I just love it. I love it, guys. Previous, I think I reacted to few of Mizo song. One Mizo song was called Rsa Jadeng. Yeah, Rimawe, something like that. Rimawe le. Yeah, I reacted to that music song. It was amazing also. It was amazing. It called Rimawe le hamna jaina, like that, by Rsa Jadeng and City Tulungeta. Tulungti, yeah. And today we watch one of the most amazing singer of Mizo by the name LALROSANGA. You guys, you brother, respect, love from Africa. No doubt, your music is amazing. You're so talented. I love the way he sounds also, and his face expression, the way he express, you will just fall for it. I know how many girls already fall for him. The way he express, oh my God, you get it now? Bumper Club. That is it. Don't forget, guys, kindly subscribe. This channel is for Northeast people, reaction and vlog only. So shame on you if you won't subscribe. Okay, we want to promote this music. So if you guys will watch this reaction video, YouTube will keep suggesting it to other states like Meghalaya, Tripura, Sikkim, Shillong, Assam. They will get to know more about this talented guy, and from there also it will be promoted worldwide. Africa and other people will also watch it. So kindly share and subscribe, guys, because you will be watching more of vlog and reaction video. Next song will be Don't Let Me Down by this guy. Yeah, by him only. I love his song. Thank you so much. Till next time.